My mission in life? My mission in life is to help people connect their purpose, their passion, and their profession. I believe that you were created for a special purpose, a purpose that only you can accomplish, a purpose that will somehow change the world. I believe we were genetically engineered with special gifts and talents and even weaknesses, all working together to help you accomplish the purpose for which you were created. My job as a speaker is to help you discover your purpose, rekindle your passion, and connect them both to your profession. And whether you're a teacher looking to learn better classroom management or a Wall Street broker looking to make better investments, nothing will help you more than understanding your purpose. Nothing will fuel you more than connecting that purpose to the gifts and talents you were given. Nothing will satisfy you more than waking up every day knowing that your purpose, your passion, and your profession are in harmony. Then you are living with 360-degree purpose.